my banana bread videos, and that almost came 608 views. And today I've got another video. So this time we are doing the ingredients are paneer, chili, onions and red pepper.
What about the sauces?
Also the sauces are vinegar and then red chili and soy sauce. Let's start with some oil, then pour the paneer and the onion.
Okay, take the oil.
Now we have to add the onion into the hot burning oil. Next, we have to add the paneer. But before we do that, we have to add the chili. Now I hate chilies because it burns my eyes. I'm saved. Now you have to stir it a little and add the sauces. Now we have to put 1 spoon of vinegar. Now I'm adding soya sauce. Put too much?
Little more.
Little more, I guess. Now add all the vegetables and put the salt. Now add salt all over. Now keep stirring till it gets fried. Add 2 spoons of red chili sauce and fry. You can have it as it is or roll it in a chapati. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get more notifications or uploads. Otherwise, you will miss these cooking videos.